Oriental Potato Salad with olives, eggs and red onions. An easy, delicious and hearty potato salad ready in only 30 minutes. Ingredients: 1 kilogram potatoes, 150 gram of black olives, 100 gram of cucumber pickles, 3 to 4 eggs, vinegar 50 milliliters, cooking oil, 2 sp mustard, salt and black pepper. Method: first of all, we need to prepare the ingredients. So let's do it. Prepare the potatoes, peel the potatoes and cut them up in small cubes. Boil them for about 20 minutes or until they are tender. When you stick a fork in them, boil the eggs and cut them up in smaller pieces. Cut the black olives, onion, and cucumber pickles. Finish the dish. Mix all the ingredients together gently. And that's it, our dish is ready to be served. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye.